Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap Get Started. Click OK. Then tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Click on Input Options, choose LED keyboard one more time. And over here you can pick a keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it. Choose Download Theme and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!